Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we're going to show you how to flash the Eagle box and how to set the soft jumpers on the 76844 control panel. Step 1. Disconnect power to the tub. Step 2. Locate the USB port in the upper right corner of the main board. Step 3. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port. Step 4. Reconnect power to the tub. The green power on light will blink while the software loads. When the software loading completes, you will hear 2 clicks and the green power on light will turn solid for 5 to 10 seconds. After the software has uploaded, the green power on light will start blinking again. Step 5. Verify the updated software version on the control panel display. If the wrong software is uploaded, the control error light will turn on. Step 6. Locate the Setup SW1 button just left of the USB port on the main board. Step 7. Hold the button down for 2 to 3 seconds until you see Service Mode on the display of the control panel. Step 8. Press Next until configuration is highlighted. Press Select. The display will read Configuration Model HSS Head. Press Next. Step 9. Find your SPA in the control box configuration instructions. Step 10. Set the soft jumpers. Step 11. Disconnect power from the tub and remove the flash drive. Step 12. Reconnect power to the tub and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you can easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us on the web at backyardplus.com.